Hey guys, this is another video. Okay, we're going to talk about mitochondria. Mitochondria are often referred as the powerhouse of the cell. Uh, they were they help to turn energy we take from the food into energy that cell can use. But there is more to mitochondria than energy production. Present in nearly all types of human, mitochondria are vital to our survival. They generate the majority of our adenosine triphosphate, the energy of currency of the cell. Mitochondria are also involved in other tasks such as signaling between cells and cell death, otherwise known to apoptosis. In this article, we will look at how mitochondria work and why they look like, and explain what happens when stop doing their job correctly. Mitochondria are small, between 0.5 to 3 micrometers, that are not visible under the microscope unless they are stained. Unlike other organelles, they have two membranes, an outer one and inner one. Obviously, each membrane has different functions. Mitochondria are split into different compartments or regions, each of which carries out distinct roles. Some of major regions include outer membrane, inner membrane, okay, we were about the cristia. So cristia, these are folds of the inner membrane. They increase the surface area of the membrane, therefore increasing the space available for chemical reaction. Okay, matrix is this is the space within the inner membrane containing hundreds of enzymes. It is important to the production of ATP. Mitochondrial DNA is housed here. Different cell types have different number of mitochondria. For instance, mature red blood cells have none at all, whereas liver cells can have more than 2000. Cells with high demand for energy tend to have greater number of mitochondria. Around 40% of the cytoplasm in the heart muscle cell is taken up by mitochondria. Although mitochondria are often drawn as oval-shaped organelles, they are consistently dividing and bonding together, which is known as fission and fusion. So in reality, these organelles are linked together in ever-changing networks. Also in sperm cell, the mitochondria are spiraled and mid-piece and providing energy for tail motion. Mitochondrial DNA. Throughout the although most of our DNA is kept in the nucleus of each cell, mitochondria have their own set of DNA. Interestingly, mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, is similar to bacterial DNA. Okay, the mtDNA holds the instruction for a number of protein and other cellular support equipment across 37 genes. The human genome stored in the nuclei of our cell contained around 3.3 billion base pair, whereas mtDNA consists of less than 17,000. During reproduction of half of child, DNA comes from their father and half of their mother. However, the child always received their mtDNA from their mother, because this mtDNA has proven very useful for tracing genetic lines. Okay, so what does mitochondria do? We're gonna discuss in the next video.